up, y'all? It's Ray, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash and go routine. So right now, I just have like an old wash and go, and it was in a poof today. So it is a mess, a dry, frizzy mess. So I always try to detangle my hair the night before, because when I say wash and go, I'm really mean like I'm trying to hurry up and go within the next 30 minutes. I ain't got time to be doing a whole bunch of stuff in the morning. So I'm going to show you guys how I detangle my hair in the shower and twist it up before I go to sleep. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so while we watch me detangle my hair in the shower, I'm going to entertain you guys with a story that is completely unrelated to this video. So, I got into a fight in high school, and it was with this girl, but the funny part is high school was a weird place. You know, people just used to be so angry in the morning at like 6, 7 a.m. and just fighting in the morning at 6, 7 a.m. I mean, like, why? But anyway, so like we were going to class, and this girl, she just hit me out of nowhere. And the thing people don't know is I started taking off my clothes and stuff like I was about to fight her, but I really physically could not. I had a pilonidal cyst on my spine. Like, I could barely walk, barely sit down, and I was in so much pain at the time. So like when she hit me, it was so random, but it's like the whole time I was taking off my clothes to act like I was gonna fight her, I knew in my mind, I was like, bro, I cannot fight this girl. I'm in so much pain. So I was like saying in my head, like, somebody please hold me back. Like, I was taking off my jacket in slow motion, like, please somebody hold me back so I don't have to fight this girl. So long story short, somebody held me back and I didn't have to fight her that day, and she got suspended, but she came back to school. And the day she came back to school, I was already healed. Like, I was feeling good. So she went to the restroom, and I went to the restroom because I saw her go in the restroom. And y'all, we got to fighting, and I beat her up. I beat her under the sink, actually. And like, my cousin was recording the video, and she showed the video to people around the school, and she charged people 50 cents to watch the video. And one of my teachers actually ended up putting the video on the projector so that the class can watch it. It was crazy. It was a really crazy time. Like, this is around 2015, 2014. But let's get back on task here. So here I'm just wiping mascara off of my eyes, and as you can see, I've already co-washed and detangled my hair, and we're about to get to the styling portion. Okay, so this is my hair fresh out the shower. I haven't added product yet, so before I go to sleep, I'm gonna add leave-in and twist it up and finish the rest of the routine in the morning. So this is the leave-in I'll be using. Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, Rice Milk, Softening Leave-In, blah blah blah. So yeah, I've actually started using this pretty recently, and I love it. Like, I've been using it for about a month now. Freaking love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. I have been using that product before though. Coronavirus! But yeah, I have been using that product before, but I recently started using this one, and I just love it so much. So yeah, I'm just gonna evenly distribute this throughout the hair. Okay, so this isn't like gonna be like twist out, twist anything. It's just twisting it to prevent getting those little knots at the end of the hair, because I just got a trim and I don't really need that. So I'm gonna keep it stretched. I'm just probably gonna do 4 big twists. so these are my twists. Just want to throw your scarf or your bonnet on. And I'll see you guys in the morning. What's up, you guys? So good morning. Today we're gonna go ahead and finish up our wash and go routine. It's gonna be quick, simple, easy. The 3 products that I will be using: Camille Rose leave-in conditioner that we put on last night, Extreme Wet Line styling gel, and some black castor oil. Okay, and I got my spray bottle. So yeah. So just took this section down. You know, sprayed it good and saturated. Not too much though. Just enough so we can work the product through. Of course, we don't really have to do that much leave-in because we already have some in here. And work that through with my fingers. I'm gonna take the Extreme Wet Line. Not too much. Enough. Do a little bit more to get that middle section. Take your oil and seal it. I do a generous amount because, you know, we love a generous queen. And I usually don't have to shingle it unless I just see some parts that just aren't looking as defined as I want them to. But you can see, look at it. Okay, let's keep going. Cute little twist in it. Take a much here. On my oil. Like I said last night, I don't like my wash and go to take a long time. I like to really get going. So yeah, it's quick, simple, and effective. Just want to make sure everything is correct. say, like, you really don't have to shingle. I usually don't unless I just see like, see how the ends of these are like looking a little rough. But I really don't usually shingle it. I just apply the product and, you know, just play with it a little bit, get it out looking how you usually shingle it. I just apply the product and, you know, just play with it a little bit, get it out looking how you want it to look. Give my gel. Get more gel. Oil. I love the Camille Rose though. Like, I just love how it weighs my hair down. But it's so light. Like, after drying my hair, it doesn't feel hard. It doesn't, you know, feel super heavy or anything. It just feels light and airy. And I love that. All that stitching. Get my gel. Get my oil. Okay, so that's pretty much it. As you can see, this side is already starting to shrink a little bit. So it'll like shrink and, you know, grow throughout the day. But I don't do any blow drying, mainly because like I'm a get up and go person. Like when I get up, I need to hurry up, get out the door. I have tried diffusing it before. I really don't see that much of a difference, honestly. So I'm just not a diffuser, I guess. Not against it. I'm not against it, but you know, I'm just a get up and go type of person. So yeah, this is my wash and go routine. As you can see, I'm still like kind of playing with it and get like everything looking like I want it to look. Yeah, it's looking really good. It's not light and airy, that is not heavy product. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, that's my wash and go routine, and I'll hold up 3 products for you guys again. And I'll put the names in the bio or description, whatever they got on YouTube. Oh yeah. Wait, this could be a good thumbnail picture. No, it's not. It's not cute at all. Here you go though. Okay, we got it. Alright, you guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is just an update to show you guys what the hair looks like completely dry. It's about 8 hours since I've done it, and it is completely dry. And as you can see, it's still super defined. It honestly still looks wet, and yeah, looks good. So yeah, completely dry. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.